Rough cut. The band, low. The band was supposed to back a lot of the artists them. Them get stuck in Miami because of some delays in the flights, alright? So a lot of the artists them on us tonight, we never get to rehearse with the band. But we respect St. Mary, and we respect Capleton. And we're there and we just have a freestyle, alright? So you ready? 5. Let's go, come on, yalla, yalla, come on, come on. I'm for you, and you know ready yet. I'm for you, and you know ready. Nobody in the shade again. Reach to the sky, and you think about it, tell again. I'm for you, ready yet. Tell a yalla, I'm for you, and you ready again. You want to tell me, nobody in the shade again. Yo, good girls, woman, things are going, you are going, me not telling a lie. You full of one man, so sexy, body, yeah. Things are going, you are going, so you feel. What am I going to say? Come on, let me see the hands from a girl, can't take your hands from you. And you're sure I didn't go away, I'm gonna look your money, must say. Control. Hey, man, from Hamburg, and you can find it from man from. That's that. Yeah. Give me, what should I really be know? Them probably know about 3 of my reading them, so we just have to work out them reading them. Give me the one. Give me the wallet. So all the clean artists, St. Mary people, put up your hands up. Come here, look. Once again, all of the clean artists, St. Mary people, let me see ya. So all of the people with them hand down, that means that I know St. Mary them come from. Look. I'm not going to stay too long, you know. Come sit down. I'm not going to stay too long. Boy, some more want to see a message. Look, we just want to see a message. Jamaica, a time for unity and love. If you see a time for unity and love, put up your hand and make them see. Because the whole world are watching now. Let them see that you said. Alright, put it down back. You see what we talk about unity and love. No separation, nothing of that. So you see that JP and the PNP thing there? It never work. And you see the freedom of black people for have now, we are going to give you a freedom from the whole of the oppression and colonization. And when we take back a thing named nationality, and you see that thing named nationality, the whole of we have it under the maroon. Because the whole of we are one blood. They tell you like about maroon carry back slave alive. Because they did a use slave to come in maroon country too. So 2 weeks did I go. So right now our Prime Minister make it look like some maroon don't exist. We don't want to make that happen. Right? And when them talk about constitution change, make sure them talk to the Maroons, make sure them talk to the Rastaman them. Alright, because of them people that stand up for Jamaica freedom. So pick up every Maroon from Illinois where they come from. Come up for them there, Portland. And them now go like when Jamaica come together as one. But what? Alright, the one you have to yellow, who know how to survive. The one you have to yellow, who know how to rejoice. We call it full of town and I go get for you tonight. And now got people, you have to be like this, really. Don't mix me, we just want you play it. Play it. Because it's a message. I get up where I come from, poverty me I run from. Trying to go, me now give up, and that's all I stand from. No more son of gun, out for cops, don't be gun pan. When I see me, I like it, say that see me, I turn up some man. Warriors, like a shot in a yard, me gotta. Warriors, gotta be, I know me just a come from, and come love it. When you see the ghetto, you become a champion. If I never music, you the fear, you know you no chance, so. Me all who know how to see when I. No man here, feel all. Bump the door. Look. And one more message me I forgive before me leave. It name priorities. Get your priorities right. Keep it low, young way. Me not done my own from Prada, yeah man. Me don't have clothes on me rather. Enough man spend them last figure shop of Balaba. Long as me have life, me give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full up a swagger. And clothes that come off when gyal get dagger. So out time, harder me tin out of man. Hold on now. Just listen. Again. Bounce it low, see me. Priorities, right? Again, me not done my own from Prada. You man, I don't have clothes on me rather. Enough man spend them last with a shop of balaba. Long as me have life, me give thanks to the Father. Cause me no need brand when me full of a swagger. And clothes that come off when y'all is Spragga. So all time harder me to out and maga. Enough clothes, no fit right, no matter how much we spend. But still, wear jeans no matter how much for them. A shirt from my back. Maybe about $10, baby thing dog as long as it blend. From you look me to eat that, but good, me tell you no. Name gonna put food on table, no. Name gonna pay light on cable, no. Name gonna make your life more stable. Someone spend them last and I want like them able to, but name gonna put food in a pot, no. Name gonna just sing a music a lot. Why? To make you feel like you need it. But me will try it even if I cheap boot and socks. Look, me rather cheap boot and socks. Worse when they see them boots are tax. Me not go buy no offer proof and chat. But how I have it, my have it be truths and facts. Sure, well if you're rich by all means, go buy some. Name brand nice and I don't love to try some. But me now buy it when my house a slide down and my family hungry that. But rather not buy no car. Name brand no put food man. Yeah, me not gonna hear.
Spragga Benz gift. If you're enough song about your newness and new shoes, no things that look good. And we gone viral is on my father thing on TikTok, mom. And IG, if you see how much new people, if you see people that wake up and watch we show, all we do 10 seconds to go. Those are our pages. But the content not done. We have an ex-firefighter from Kingston coming to finish up.